In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube without showing your face on camera, even if you're a complete newbie. Hello everyone. I know you must be thinking, well, how is this even possible? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it, even if you're a beginner. There are actually lots of different ways to create YouTube videos, and the best method really depends on what your channel is about, your niche, your audience, what you're trying to sell. It's also important to plan your strategy for making money on YouTube before actually making your videos. And in a moment, I will share the absolute best strategy to monetize your videos on YouTube. But for now, let's dive into my top 5 ways to create videos without showing your face on camera. So the first method is known as screen sharing. And if you've been on YouTube for a while, I'm sure you've seen this method before. Basically where you share your screen with anyone who's watching your video. Now, in this case, as you can see on my screen, some people will choose to put a little image of a live video where they're talking and they are showing their face. But the point is you don't need to do that. You can just show your screen, talk to it if you're not comfortable speaking on camera. And you could do this whether it's you're doing some sort of tutorial, you're showing video clips, or some sort of simple slideshow presentation. Now, if you want to establish some added trust with your audience, you can always choose to just put use your face on the thumbnails that you create. But again, that's not even needed. You can just create a thumbnail, make it creative, make it stand out, and that'll do just fine. Now, if you are going to share your screen, there's a couple of softwares that I would recommend. If you want to go the free route, there's a software called Loom. You can find it at loom.com, and that's completely free. The next software that if you're on a Mac, I recommend, if you want to spend a little bit of money, it's in your budget, go for ScreenFlow. It's got a lot more capabilities than just basically recording your screen, and that's what Loom does. And as you can see here, this is the website. Basically, as it says, create stunning videos with ScreenFlow, professional video editing software. It's it's a one-time cost. You do have to pay a little bit additional every time they upgrade if you want to move up in their versions, but otherwise it's pretty good. You can stay on the version that you bought originally as long as your computer supports it. So if you're on a PC, the next one I would recommend is Camtasia. It actually comes in a Mac version as well. This one's a little bit more robust, and they do offer a free trial. And I think it's a little bit more expensive. Let's see if I can see the pricing here real quick. Pricing, here you go. Yeah, so it's a little bit more, well, it's a lot more expensive. So if you're a lot more serious about your video editing, I would go with Camtasia. So that's what I would recommend for video editing software. So the next type of video you can create are compilation videos. And this is simply when you use footage that's already available, and basically what you can do is just mesh them all together, create a whole unique video for yourself. Now this method has proven to work quite well. There's a lot of people who actually do it, and I'm going to show you a couple examples of people who are actually making pretty good money doing this. So the first example I want to show you here is from a site called People Are Awesome, and I can show you real quick here. Well, I'll just click on one of these here. Are you ready? So again, this gives you an idea. These are different clips of basically people who have posted funny clips online, but they're actually monetizing it. See, as you can see here, I'm sure they've got some affiliate links as well, and let's see how many visitors they're getting here. They got 3.45 million subscribers. They're making, and again, this is just an estimate from a site. You can find online. It's called Social Blade, and it shows an estimate of what they're making. So anywhere from $55,000 to $887,000 per year they're making from just doing those types of videos. There's another example of a site called Tech Update, and again, this site does a similar thing, whereas they're taking footage. In this case, it's not from people, it's from manufacturers. So I'll give you an idea here. And it's basically stock footage of the products.
Quality furniture construction is easy to accomplish with quality. Edge of the square cut.
So as you can see, these are professional made videos from the manufacturer themselves, and you can contact the manufacturer directly. A lot of times they just have these videos on their sites. You can also find videos if you want to be an affiliate with, let's say, Amazon. You can get videos from manufacturers that they post on there as well as from a site called Kickstarter.com and Indiegogo.com. So those should help you out with those. So this particular site, let's see what they're doing on an annual basis. Again, this is a huge range, but it just gives you an idea that they are making money. So in this case, they're making almost $1,000 per month, up to $15,000 with just those types of videos. So yeah, so they're not filming themselves on camera. They're not doing any of the filming, and yet they're making some good money there. So the next type of videos are what's called animation videos or explainer videos.
My grandma's favorite story was about.
And again, so this is an example of a site. It's called Fight Mediocrity, or Mediocrity, and it's got just over 1 million subscribers. And basically, all they do is do animation type videos.
How everything costs 2 cents when she was young, but now everything constantly got more expensive. Do you want to say that you were a good spouse? If that's the case, how does TV?
So that gives you a good idea of that. Let's click on another video just to give you some more.
Has nothing to think about except thought.
All right, so again, you get the idea. They're not putting themselves on camera, and so this site is using. They're an Amazon affiliate, so let's see what they're doing. I think they're not making quite as much, but annual up to $27,000 per month, which isn't bad. So those are the types of examples for explainer or animation type videos. The next type of videos that you can do is it's not for everyone, but here's an example of someone who's doing this, and it's disguise yourself. So he's come up with a disguise, and basically this guy's called Dr. Disrespect. He's actually a gamer, and he's got both a YouTube channel, and he's a popular streamer on Twitch as a gamer. And basically what he does, as you can see here, well, let's take a look at his video here. Get an idea.
Yeah!
So you see him, that's him there. But that's all he does. He's in a disguise. He's got a wig, sunglasses, and a mustache. And very, very popular site, 1.53 million subscribers. And let's see what he's doing. Let's see, ranges from 23,000 annually to $382,000. So again, this obviously it's not going to be for everyone, but I really just showing you this just to show you that you can be creative and come up with ways where you don't have to put yourself on camera. Now, Number 5 is basically using software again, but it's not using animated videos. It's actually using a software called Content Samurai, and it's really, really a good piece of software. It basically makes it really, really easy, really fast, where they actually, you take your script and you just basically import it into the software, automatically separates it, creates different slides, puts the words in, chooses images and royalty-free stock images for you. Now it's not perfect. You're going to have to go in there and basically customize it to make it make sense, because it is a software, but it does make it really, really simple and really, really easy. So I'm going to drop a bunch of links underneath as well for all these sites that I'm mentioning, so you can go check it out from there. And let me show you an example of a site that's doing this, using this software.
Are you trying to lose weight? There are many things that help weight loss besides a fat diet.
The site is called Natural Cures. They've got almost 3 million subscribers, and this is basically what they do. So let me just show you an example here.
If you have been following us for a while, you must already know that lemon is a powerful fruit. It works as a great natural medicine and helps to naturally detox the body, reducing the symptoms of fatigue and improving disposition. Honey has antimicrobial action, which makes it capable of hindering or quelling nausea. Aren't video a thumbs up and mix it. Wash your hands. Like the video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends.
So there you go. I skipped through that real quick just so you don't have to watch the whole video, but it gives you a good idea of what you can do. And again, this site has almost 3 million subscribers. Let's see how much they're making approximately. They're making anywhere from $20,000 to $324,000 annually. And again, all their videos, they're not on screen, they're not on camera. In fact, I don't know if you can tell, but some of them is a little more obvious than others. But as I mentioned, you can put it puts your text on the screen, and you can also choose it to be music in the background as well as audio. So it'll be text to speech. So it's actually artificial intelligence that's speaking.
Eliminate worms and parasites? But do you know when you have worms? Abdominal pain, abdominal swelling.
It's not bad. It's actually not too bad. They've got different options for you there. So those are my top 5 recommendations on how you can make money with YouTube without being on camera. If you like this video, please like it underneath, subscribe to it. It really helps for other people to see this video. Subscribe to my channel so you can get notified, hit the bell about the latest videos that I have coming up, and I have some more videos coming up that show you how to make money on YouTube. In fact, if you opt in below, you can access my 10-part video training on how to make money on YouTube. And when you do, you're actually going to get free bonus that shows you the top way right now. It's the best way to rank on the first page of Google and YouTube. And again, you can use these methods without having to be on camera, and then just rank your videos, get them on the number 1, and you can start making money. So go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next video where I'm going to share how you can make money on YouTube without any ads. See you then.